A lot of people hear the ads on TV for people who can settle your debts for 30 cents on the dollar, 20 cents on the dollar, and they wonder, is that what you guys do? Is that different? There are a number of different people out there who say that they can help you deal with your debts. You've got credit counselors, some of them who are not-for-profit agencies. They can do what's called a debt management plan, where they take your debts and you pay them off in full over a period of up to 5 years. And in most cases, they can negotiate reduced or zero interest. So if you're able to pay all your debts in full, but you just need a bit of a break, credit counseling through a not-for-profit credit counselor is a good way to go. People who are advertising on TV are for-profit companies, and they are either debt consultants or people offering debt settlements. They're not necessarily regulated by anyone in particular. They don't necessarily have any particular educational background or qualifications. What they're going to do is attempt to negotiate something with your creditors. Whether they can do it or not, who knows? Problem is, you're going to end up paying them a bunch of fees before you really find out what's going to happen.
Bankruptcy trustees are licensed by the federal government. We're officers of the court. So right from the get-go, we're different than just about any other professional you're ever going to meet. Lawyers are officers of the court, but they can't serve in this kind of capacity. The analogy I usually give people is think of a bankruptcy trustee as a referee. So the bankruptcy laws set out a specific way that things are to be administered. The trustees are the ones that make sure that everyone follows the rules.
That's what makes us different. We've actually got legal authority to do this. We are using federal law to bring about the settlement. So when a consumer proposal is filed, all unsecured creditors, people like credit cards, income tax, bank loans, payday loans, are all treated exactly the same.
Chartered accountants originally were the only ones that were trustees, and you had to train the next generation. So chartered accountants trained the next generation of chartered accountants. It's only been in the last 10 years when non-accountants have become trustees. And in fact, in our firm, a third of our trustees are not accountants. And the reason we did that is it gives us a broader spectrum, a better appreciation of individuals' backgrounds and their experiences. We've got someone who's got a health background, someone with an insurance background, one that used to be a teacher. The idea being that we can better relate to people because we've got this breadth of experience as opposed to all being boring accountants.
We've got the hammer. I don't need to get every single person to agree. I just need the majority to agree because that's how the federal law works. So if you're not licensed by the federal government under federal law, you can't do that. And that is the ultimate difference between a licensed consumer proposal administrator, a licensed bankruptcy trustee, and everyone else.